Last session we discussed about how do we deal with JSON type. So in TypeScript data types, how to work with JSON type, how to manipulate JSON type. We saw some examples. So filtering and how do we access data from a JSON type. These are the basic things. Another important is in our last session means we learned how to deal with an array of objects actually. And this is how we can deal with array of objects. I showed you all the techniques of how we can deal with it. So usually we will work with such type of types in our Angular regularly. So that's the reason whenever we are dealing with data in Angular, it will be in this format. So that's the reason we need to understand how to represent and how to handle it. Later, several examples you will learn in Angular working with this type of data, right? After understanding this, one more point is how we can add record into this. Adding, removing, everything is same like how we done with an array. For example, I want to add a new product into it, into this collection. A new product into this collection. So how we can add a new product into this collection? In order to add a new product into this collection, already we have products. So yesterday we learned how to read the values. How do we read the values? So let's keep this example. So already there are 3 products. I want to add one more product. That means one more basic thing you need to understand here is adding values into JSON type data, JSON type collection. How we can add values into JSON type collection. So if I want to add a value, so observe here, every value is an object. Every value is an object. So what we need to do here is we need to create a product. We need to create a product, and this product is any type, and it is an object. And already we learned objects are defined in a flower brace. So we are creating an object here, and in this object we need to define the properties that it is expecting. So here name, and name is, suppose I defined some Lee Cooper boot, okay, and price is some price, and category some footwear, and in stock was true, like this. We are defining the values in this way. So this is a new product. So I want this new product. I want this new product to be added into this collection. So because it is a collection of object type, if you want to add anything into it, you have to create an object first. Currently, we are defining some hard-coded data. Later, we will see how we can deal with dynamic data, because that comes from a form and we can present it. Now we need to add this into this collection. So how to print the collection first? So let results, or I want to just print all the names. Then for, so where item of collection is products, and I need to print all names. Then console.log, and here I am printing all the names. All the names or all the details you can print here. So this is item.name and hyphen just item.price. Item.price. I want to print only these two details. Okay. Now I will save this. Now earlier, first when we run this, it will print only few details it is having. That means 3 details it is having. So here we are defining tsc JSON demo.ts, node JSON demo.js, and you can see it is printing only these 3. I want to add this new record into that collection, into this collection. Currently it is having only 3, and those 3 are printed, but I want to add this new one into that collection. Then what we can do is, before reading, if I want to add this new one, then we have to, we know that already in array, how to add a new value into array. We can use push, we can use unshift, or we can use splice. You know the difference between them. So push will add as a last item, and unshift will add as a first item, and splice will add at any specific index. So here what we need to do, products dot push. So into this, what you need to push, the new product that you have created. That's it. That means this product that we created, we are adding that product into that location. So I will save this, I will save, and I will compile and run, and this time it should get the new record which is added into that collection. This is the new one added into the collection. You can do in this way, or you can add directly like this. We have products, into the products dot, I can use unshift. Unshift will add towards the top. And what you need to add, we can create a separate collection, or simply we can create an object like this. Unshift will add towards the top. Then here I am defining name. Name is some sunglass, and price. So price is some price, and category like some fashion, and in stock is some true, like this. Directly we can define the object into the collection.